Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to simplify e-commerce payments with FastSpring. This is my FastSpring Review 2025 and we'll see why it's a strong choice for digital businesses. FastSpring is an all-in-one payment platform built for software companies, SaaS, and digital products. It lets you accept payments worldwide, handle subscriptions, manage taxes, and even localize pricing for different markets. That means you can sell globally without worrying about the complex backend. One of the biggest strengths of FastSpring is compliance. It automatically handles VAT, sales tax, and other legal requirements in different countries. This saves businesses time and reduces the risk of mistakes. It also integrates with popular tools, giving you flexibility as you grow. For business owners, FastSpring is all about simplifying the payment process while helping increase conversions with localized checkout and multiple payment options. It's designed to give customers a smooth buying experience while keeping things easy for you. So, is it worth it in 2025? If you're selling digital products or software and want a global, compliant, and scalable payment solution, FastSpring is definitely a strong option. Thanks for watching this FastSpring Review 2025. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick reviews and guides. See you in the next one.